Hey guys! Welcome to my channel, Jane Shala! Sa video natin ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Keep the Door Locked Anomaly. Hindi ko pa alam kung kakayanin kong matapos to kasi sobrang nakakatakot at maraming hindi inaasahang mangyayari. So, samahan niyo ako and let's see kung may iwasan natin ang mga anomalies o kung matatakot lang ako. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong uploads. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Simulan na ang laro!
Rest to your heart's content, and make sure to obey the rules. The hotel has a strict no refund policy under any circumstances. Good luck, and we hope you see the sunrise again.
Then, ano yung natin? Yan. Sino yun? Oh. Bathroom monster. Never sleep alone. Let a guest in your room first. Oh. Door knocker. Not every knocker is human. Check the visitor before opening. Window seeker. Here's something outside. Check the window. Stay alert. The hotel is never safe. Okay.
Hey, it's the front desk. You read that paper I left?
Yeah.
So, keep your door locked tonight, yeah? Somebody's gonna knock.
Okay.
Don't open it.
Oh.
Just take a peek first.
Okay.
Peephole, the little camera, whatever. If they're talking weird,
Okay,
that ain't a
sir.
person. Trust me.
Okay.
So yeah, don't let them in. Just chill. Wait it out.
Okay.
Oh, and keep the curtain closed. If the window starts
Tama mo
tapping,
masasabi?
check it. Quick though, don't take your time. If power cuts out, get to the breaker and flip it. Fast.
Ano daw?
One more thing. Don't ever sleep alone. There's something in that bathroom. Wait for the others. Sleep together.
Okay.
It won't touch a full room. Stay in your room. Don't die. You'll be fine. Probably. Anyway, sleep tight. Kinda hope I see you in the morning.
Okay. Check carefully. Oh, so pwede siya ma-zoom. Oh. Okay. So, may nasa labas. Please, I have nowhere else to go in this hotel. Wala namang problema sa kanya. No. Wala namang problema eh. Girl, akala ko pwede magtago. Oh my God. Ang laki ng ano. Okay lang siya guys. Okay, we slept. Kuya Long! Kuya Long! Okay. Paano na? Okay, gotta start the alarm. Kailangan natin maglinis ng room. Yung cabinet na to, kinakatakot ko. Wait lang, boss. You have to make sure no one is okay. We cannot. Oh, there's a flashlight.
You're still here.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. That's great. Most folks don't make it past the first night. Good for you.
Why?
So, look, same deal as last night. Door stays shut. Don't believe anybody out there.
Okay.
It gets worse the longer you stay. Just so you know.
If you know, then why the
Hey,
fuck I'm still
You already
here?
know that, don't you? Anyway, I'm not gonna lie to you and say you'll be fine. But
What?
Good luck tonight. Really.
Oh,
I mean it.
damn, you care about me. Guys, may paki siya sa akin. For sure, ako mamahalin niya. Ako yung papakasalan niya. Uy! Papakasalan. Okay. Oh! No. Should I do? Should I do? Should I do? Okay, kalbo siya, guys. Pag kalbo, masamang tao. Ay, hindi. Okay lang ba talaga siya? Okay lang siya eh. Let them in. Let them in! Okay. Tutulog na ulit tayo. Day 2. Ay, 3 na pala. Okay, stop the alarm. Clean. Turn on the light. Flashlight. Magre-rin ka na naman. Tayo na natin. Hindi. Ano yan? Oh my god. Oh. Yes, a knife. Okay, what the fuck was that? Ano yun? Wait lang. Oh, meron nga. Okay. Akala ko hindi ako maniniwala sa una eh. We check the ceiling before we leave. Stay alert for the spiders. So, wala namang problema. May ano naman. May gagamba talaga eh. Akala ko kung ano yung nagapang. Okay. Isa naman tayo. Okay. Wala naman. Check carefully. Okay, may tao na. Oh. Huh? Huh? Uy, si nanay. Pero wala siya sa Sylvie. Wait lang. Patay lang natin yung ilaw. So, wala naman nangyayari. Medyo nakakatakot na guys ah. Creepy ah. Ano naman yan? Oh. Ito, ang daming ads. Oh, that guy needs help, bro. Ano yan? No. This guy is perfect. Bali nga leg mo. Ba't parang medyo nagdumi yung ano ko? May napasok ba yung ano? Nang. I'm not gonna let you in that easily. Di kita papapasokin na kita. Okay naman. Okay naman siya. Okay. May tulog ng isa. Day 5 na tayo. So, gaano ba to katagal? Okay. Bathroom on oh, yung paper. So, wala na tayong alarm, I guess. Hey, yo. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Ano yun? Ano yun? Yo, 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 yo. Wait lang, ang daming ads. Ba't may ads? Okay. Uy, gulat ako. Gago. Can you spare mo 150? Wow, 150? Oh, sige. Yung homeless ka, pero ayaw mo yung ano. Pero ayaw mo sa kuripot. Nag-exchange ka pa. Ano yun sa window? Here's something outside. Check the window. Okay. Is this your cat? I've been wandering around in front of your room for a while. If you want it, I'll take it. Wait lang. It's not my cat though. Wala naman ng pusa at the first place. What was that? Oh shit.
Hey, your lights just tripped the breaker. You'll need to head out to the hall panel and reset it yourself.
Okay.
Go out and turn left and you will find the breaker box. I'm not doing it for you.
Kagi yung anxiety ko. Nagbukas yung ano natin. Dapat pala kinuha na lang natin. Oh my God. Dapat pala kinuha ko na lang yung pusang yun. My car broke down and my phone battery is dead. Okay. Wait lang. Just making sure. Okay naman siya. Okay. So, nakakatakot kasi nagbukas na yung pinto ng bathroom. Meron pa ba? Oh, si Pogi.
There's a guy with a knife wandering in the hotel. Make sure you turn off the light when you go to sleep.
Okay. Turn off the light before sleep. Sabi na nga. Papatay na lang natin yung... Oh my god. Oh my god. I heard someone walking behind me, but every time I turn around... Should we let this girl in? Pasukan ba natin? Si girl. Siya yun? Nay! Oh! To! Apo!
I think there might be something translucent walking around in the hallway.
Translucent?
Eye out.
Oh. Translucent. Damn. I'm sorry. Let me just turn off my... Papatay lang natin yung ano natin. Siya na naman. Ba't lagi na may ano naman? Ano yun? Oh, may gagamba. Okay, it's an actual pizza, guys. Sige, we need it. Madami naman tayong pera. Paano may gamba? Oh! Oh my god. Anong gulat ako.
Hey, are you still alive? I
Yes,
was a little
bro.
bit worried when I saw it on camera. That thing will show up at my side any time now. Stay safe.
Sige, thank you. Lang natin. So, we're good to go. Day 6. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Hoy! Tsakain mo yung pizza ko. Kainin kita. Lang. Sana. No! No! Napindot ko yung ano. Napindot ko, boy. So guys, dito na lang tayo. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe again and I'll see you next time into my next video. Bye!